Hello guys and welcome to Python Codex again. So we are going to an experience today. I told you guys in the last video that I'll be showing you the IDLE I built on my own, though it's not fully processed, but at least it does something. So let's just this on an Android phone. So you can access it both on laptops, on websites and phones anyway, and soon we'll be bringing out the applications for it, but for now we're dealing with this on the web. So here we have, this is right the editor. So as you can see, I'm creating like a kind of theorem for like Google. So we're showing you guys the display of everything right in this. So let's just go from here. Maybe we should start it all over. Just cancel all this. As you can see, the way we cancel do everything is going off our system. So we remember that in HTML a body is always needed, right? We always need a tag called body, which is like the environment for the systems inside. So while the HTML is going to be like the boundary, and while the doc type is like the surroundings. So then, okay, the first thing we want to create is an headings tag, h1's tag. So an headings tag. Then inside this headings tag, you want to write Google. As we write this Google, you see it's directly displayed right here. So that is on the function of the IDLE. It quickly lets you to know maybe you're committing an error or you are good to go. So the next thing I want to create is an input. Then I'm just going to write an input as we used to do. Then I'm going to give it a slash to finish, and then this. But inside this, I want to give it a placeholder. So inside this placeholder, I want to have search with Google. So as we write it in, as you can see, it's moving into the input. Search with Google. Yeah. So okay, so let's just get rid of that, and then let's go for our button. Let's just say button. Yeah. Then let's close the tag of that button. Then let's come in between and let's set search. So like I've actually have a CSS for this. As you can see, input display is in block, which is actually in block. Then the matching bottom should be 20 pixel, which means the bottom of the input should have 20 pixel margin, which means it pushes any other tags below it to 20 pixel length. So then let's okay, so we actually have this. We can just customize, change colors, breadth, stuff like that, but that won't just be the thing we have to do here. Let's just go to our let's go to script. So let me just get say script. So let's give this button my notification, which is an ID. So its ID is equal to sorry about that. Yeah, so the ID is equal to, let's just give it button. Then inside this place we just gonna say documents dot get element by ID. So which the document we're going to get is button dot add event listener, and the name of the event listener is click slash, okay, a function, and code. Okay, let's close the, okay, so here we go. So now we want that maybe anytime we click the button, we want it to change. Let's say you should change the color of this text. So let's just try that. So take the color of Google. So anytime we just press search, we wanted to change the color of Google, but we're going to repeat on that. But I just want to show you the confirmation of the styles working, whether the script is working, and so on. So then let's give this Google, this HI a thug. Let's give it an ID, I mean. So the ID is equal to ID is equal to let's just use H1, no big deal. So then when it's being created, we want document dot get element by ID H1 dot style dot color is equal to red. Sorry about that. So it's equal to red. So let's try that. You see, it's changed instantly to red. So it proves to us that the style is working, though like this editor is not as perfect. So I won't mind if I have some programmers who are interested in this project. We can create a very good ideally that can perform more tasks than this. So we can be able to use this to even help a lot. Maybe who does not have a laptop yet or a computer yet, and they still want to continue with their kind of project. We can create not just an HTML code editor, but many as much. So I won't mind if I can have a programmer, maybe anywhere in the world, who is interested in this project to please comment below or inbox me. We should talk about this. Thank you very much for watching this video. So on the next one, I'll be using the same HTML code to write some script for you, and then we go through it one by one. So thank you very much.